Things you can eat in Thailand for $1. Welcome to the culinary paradise of Thailand, where $1 can buy an arsenal of flavors. Let's dive in. First up, we have savory street food like pad thai. This delicious, stir-fried noodle dish bursts with flavor, and it's wallet-friendly too. Yearning for something sweet? Mango sticky rice is your go-to. Sweet, ripe mangoes paired with luscious sticky rice, absolute yumminess under $1. Craving a quick bite? Thailand's fresh spring rolls and grilled skewers are perfect. They're appetizing, affordable, and available everywhere. And don't forget to try Thailand's tropical fruit like dragon fruit and mangoes. They're refreshingly cheap and healthy. So, come feast in Thailand, where your dollar stretches a long way, delighting your taste buds without breaking the bank.